Hello guys, welcome again. In this video, we're gonna learn about cube root. At the end of the video, actually you are expected to be able to estimate the cube root value without using calculator. Okay, before we discuss about how to estimate the cube root numbers, let's see about perfect cube number first. So, what is perfect cube numbers? Perfect cube number is a number that is equal to the number multiplied by itself 3 times. So for example, 8. 8 actually is a perfect cube number because it is the multiplication of 2 times 2 times 2, 3 times. The other perfect cube numbers are 1, 8, 27, 64, 125, and etc. And how about cube roots? Cube roots actually is the reverse process of the cube number. 3 cube is actually 27 and the cube root of 27 actually 3. The symbol of cube root is, this is the special symbol. We read this as cube root. So how to say this? We could say the cube root of 27 equals to 3. Why we name it cube root is actually because it is like how to find the volume of a cube. Yeah, so the cube is like this. If this one 3, this one 3, and this one 3. And how to find this volume of cube is 3 times 3 times 3, which is 27. Okay, next, it's a little bit different with the square root. In cube root, actually we have cube negative numbers. Why? Because in the cube number, when we have minus number as the base number, minus 5 for example, minus 5 times minus 5 times minus 5, it gives us minus 125. So if you are asked the cube root minus 125, actually you can get the answer, which is minus 5. So there is cube negative number. Okay, the next one, we're gonna try to estimate the value of the cube number. We're gonna express this in the nearest 10, and this one without using calculator. Okay, let's see for number A. Number A is the cube root of 11. So actually, how to do the mental estimation for this is nearly the same with the how to estimate the square root. Yeah, the square root of the number. Actually, we need to find the perfect cube number before 11, which is 8. 8 is this, the cube root of 8 is 2. And then the perfect cube number after 11, of course 3 cube, which is 27. Okay, so the number in between of 8 and 27 actually, this one give us 17.5. So that is the number in the middle of 8 and 27. And then 11, actually 11 is right here, yeah, 11. The difference between 11 and 8 is actually 3, and the difference of this is 6.5. So 11 is more to 8. So now actually we can choose either 2.1, 2.2, 2.3, or 2.4. Okay, based on this, I think it's best to choose 2.2 because it is more to 8 but not really close. So actually the answer for this is 2.2. Actually we can also check this answer by multiply 2.2 3 times. 2.2 times 2.2 and the answer for this is actually 10.648, and this one really close to 11. Okay, for number B, we have the cube root of 75. Okay, we need to find the perfect cube number before 75, which is 64, and the perfect cube number after 75, 125. The cube root of this is actually 4, and the cube root of this is actually 5. Okay, let's find the number right in the middle. This one 94.5. Okay, and then the position of 75 is actually here. Yeah, 75. Yeah, right here, 75. The difference between 64 and 75 is actually 9, and the difference between 75 and 94.5 is actually 19.5. So it is more to 60.4. So we can choose 4.1, 4.2, 4.3, or 4.4. I think the best value to represent this is 4.2 because it is more to 64 but not really close to 64, so we can choose 4.2. If you want to check whether this answer already correct or not, you can actually multiply 4.2 times 4.2 times 4.2. This one 74.088. Yeah, this one really this one also close to 75. If you want to make sure one more time, you can compare with 4.3. This gives us 79.507. Actually, the best value to represent this is 4.2. Yeah, it's obvious, 4.2. So the answer for this is 4.2. We use estimation sign here. We use like this. Okay. Okay, now try this by yourself at home. Challenge question. Estimate the value of cube numbers expressed in the nearest tenth. Do not use calculator. Number A, the cube root of 33, and number B, the cube root of 120.